Hey, what's going on YouTube? What's good, people? It's your boy, Mr. Wakapiti YLTD, aka Mr. Become number 7 Kashani, just Netlaponje, and I'm here with.
Hey, Bafetu, the viewers, the watchers out there. As you guys know, as I'm here in front of the camera, as Uchumi Namuja, the one and only host, the co-host actually, of the No Filter Chats, Bafetu. Bafetu, please don't forget to subscribe there, Bafetu, Sancela, man, Bafetu.
Yeah, man.
We need you guys there, Sancela, the support. I understand, Bafetu. And by the way, Bafetu, thanks for showing support, Bafetu, and to other people out there who've been like coming to us and telling us, Bafetu, you're doing like a great job. Like shout out to them, Bafetu.
Shout out.
Today we are about the review of the past show.
Yeah.
In one-man show or it's a one-on-one.
It's a one-on-one.
In a one-on-one show, Bokuna Makwaya Omati Blessed, your boy hosted Soul Healers from a cattle home. So yeah, but the show went well, like it's enjoying them now. I'm enjoyed. Like if we some type of gubangati yimbing cooler la I was a supporter.
Yeah.
The way being enjoying a
Welcome the people to the channel, man. Welcome guys to No Filter Chats. Away. So down. Show ya izolo njayami. Show ya izolo njayami.
Aboy actually. Like I really enjoyed. Like Shooty, I didn't expect Lenten to be because what do I mean, Mighty? I didn't expect what Uguti, I enjoyed the show in the most extent, Uguti. I was like, wow, yo.
Kumnandi.
Yo.
Tami mina ngifike late izolo show.
Yeah, ngifike late mfana like yo
ayisho. So mina ngifuna ungitshele ukuthi kahle. Ngifike round bani boma round 3 or round 2?
Angisazi sokumbuka. The way bekumnani ngakhona.
Okay. Isho iqale kanjani nje? How was the first round? Like bekwenzakalani nje?
First round I wasn't giving down for me first round.
Ngapha
like it's so healers ngifike late. Shuthi masifika thini. Bukhani kuyi first round iso healers. Sifike around 2 2.
Soul Healers bafethu.
So
be professional, guys.
Professional. It
happens, I know.
Too quiet, dog.
Yeah,
I understand. Shooty, you face some issues which you didn't plan.
But then sometimes mawuyikhwaya usuke early tang avoid yabo.
Yeah, true.
Usibali nesikhathi sokulahleka if uyalahleka.
Angathini, okay, based on choristers abalate.
Yeah.
You understand. So it's part of the issues that ingayenza ikwa ibelate dog. So yeah, like in that time ukuthi tanga iso healers belate tanga it's a norm. Like a norm ujwayelekile.
Yeah, facts.
Wonke amakhaya ayafika late tanga if babambe mitanga somewhere. Yangithola.
Babambeke kuphi? Kulahlekeni maybe.
I don't know tanga I don't know.
But then tanga sometimes tanga kuba tanga kahle most of the time singathi sometimes kuba ama-chorist atanga inkinga again thing.
Yeah, most of the time ama-chorist shuthi umphatha sibeke isikhathi sinje sahlangana. 2 hours.
Choir kuzoba ichoir.
In the tanga their mentality tanga it's I don't know. I don't wanna be effed up in it, but then yeah, it is like that, dog.
Wrong.
Because angeke tanga mina ngibona ngathi akena abaphathi la banokudila nabantu ebangajola ngikhamba. You understand? Shukuthi umuntu akacabanga ukuthi okay ukusuka la ukuze ngifikele like the duration of traveling ithini
isikhathi
singakanani nota
son.
Distance times time or distance divided by time
minus time.
Yeah, you understand, but then you have the clue. ngathi la sidila nabantu tanga abahamba ngoba maye
Kuyahamba.
yeah ba like ukutravela nje bakutravela ndoda ngokuthi ikhwaya yaphuma
Yaphuma.
yangithola
Nabala
yi-flop
sinda
tanga ngibona kwami nje
bafethu time management it's important.
it's really
Really to you tanga nawe tanga apply leyo shandisile because nawe tanga you one of those choristers abafika
late
1 hour late,
no
1
I
hour, 30
don't
minutes late.
nangifika 15 minutes
Even nakuma rehearsals G
15 minutes dog
even nakuma rehearsals
15 minutes
nah
like 15 minutes not that it's
no
not
you chat
it's not like too much yabo maka asikho lapho sikushow
okay seshowini bafethu
sikushow mina there's a lot I can say about this show
Ngifike late ne
ne
ngifike late ne
Yo.
but nami ngibonile ukuthi lapha
Shukuthi-
kahle bekwenzakalani lapha
tanga
lapha kahle bekwenza ngifike late da ngicamba
dala ufike ngamampela like you are surely
Aye.
okay mina ngisash like first round it wasn't giving dog yabo
it wasn't giving
I wasn't giving then
out of 10 how much do you rate it
4 5
bebavula ishow nje
yeah then second round yeah
okay
it was picking third round lapho ke between like i second like phakathi
bekhani
yeah then only third mfana kuyale showcase it was really giving a show dog yo mfana it was really giving a show yangithola ndoda sukuvokala nabo paseka ndokamala ndoda
third round ne
somewhere lapho ngisazi
khona la bekamphathi khona
sengomphathi manje ndoda cabanga ke shushu ukuthi
shout out to you G
shout out to you yeah shout out to you shukusho ukuthi manje iso healers ihlophe abaphathi abayi2
combine
ngomngavutha awusiyami
noma ungafana
angomafana kuyafana ngoma angamvocalist kuyafana
kuyafana ta
kusuvocalila kumina ndotohlwepile
bese kulabantu besiba interview bathi bebaculi waca abanye
sure tanga yabona sure tanga
Waca.
mina vele like okay bingile to support the
tanga
boy
wena boyele ndahle
mina so healers
Mm.
ongangulata
mina tanga so lila zinkinga ngilandele ngibonile nje amona ngathi uyifrustana
ungathi ichorista tanga
ngathi uyichorista nje uyifrustana
phela hayi ukuthi ngikena le ingisonela kwephela ngisho abantu
ngikena
abakenayo
nezinye.
nakuphela ngikena nezinye
mina tanga kahle bengiyele lapha Almighty Blessed about to be honest bengiyele Almighty Blessed
like
then
via support
via support
yes true now
kahle bengiyele paseke
mina bengiyela
Kahle
ukusupport
bengiyela
bheka
ukuyobona.
tanga
mina
umphathi
on my
tanga
side.
umphathi akapaseka tanga ne
Ah.
tanga dala umuntu support like
Yeah,
from
very dala tanga.
upaseka
Azocala
azofuna ukuduma
Ah.
but fake it until you make it
Ayo mara kumake igithanga. Akumake igithanga.
because it's pointless like you know why ne
G.
untwana tanga ne untwana pena ngapha ne untwana ne iflop yakho ukuthi ukena abantu base Davidson kuphela
Yeah.
the reason being is that there's a comment yakhe la ku la postile ku Officer Chat athi uGeneral sekadumile ngaye
Oh yeah.
Understand?
Ngibonile athi bekafuna amdumise kancane le time yenze interview.
you understand
Yeah,
so
yeah.
nomje uthi yo mfana awuyazi like simtshela vele like matasa esavini nje yabo like nje wena ngiyibona comment yakho wena ukuthi wena uyakhawatha into yakho ukuthi ukena abantu Davidson kuphela awuyazi wena General like awuyazi
Akayikini kamampela.
akayikini kamampela tanga like ekacala
Nambe ngayikini.
like ona wamkini
Nambe ngamkini tanga.
PSL again
PSL. Nah. PSL.
don't you remember tanga the league tanga yamakhwaya
Oh yeah.
he's the spin doctor tanga PSL
Serious?
yes this general for you
Tanga mina ngilandelile vele.
so yabona ukuthi untwana his I don't want to say well known
Mina ngizilandelele.
he's popular ngathi via leo like PSL like you tanga like bayikena tanga ukhona tanga nabo SOG nabo Saint Manuels nabo young musical healers tanga Alex Melodies tanga yo
Mina bengizilandeleliwe efakatiko.
yeah but then kancane phela le tanga but then he was doing it
Yeah. Bayipusha vele.
yeah
Yeah, senzoyela.
so Scrumptious General
Yeah, shout out to you, G.
So
I have a big mouth, boy.
ukuthi tanga he knows tanga
Hey,
into
tanga
tanga
uyazazi indaba zakho, boy. Hey, tanga.
knowledge tanga
Yeah,
iyo
yeah,
tanga
yeah.
into tanga untwana nayo.
Anayo.
Yeah, then upase kukhawutha ukuthi he doesn't have knowledge. You understand? He just says what he feels like saying and what he feels like he can say, or maybe he knows. He doesn't have information.
Aish.
Yabo.
Upase kukhawatha lack of knowledge.
Lack of knowledge.
Yeah, man.
Yes, that's it. Mara yena, shout out to him.
Yena, okay. Yabona mina ama-flowers engawanikeza uPaseka ne-G, to be honest. Untwana shame uyimarketing ishow yakhe, boy.
That's facts. That's facts.
And nangapha bheka ne untwana ne and ikhaya yakhe is like Hispanel. Like Hispanel.
Shout out to you, G.
Hispanel. Phela maye phela yena phela se ekathi phela yena le egcizele lento ukuthi yena he's pushing his page. Naye. Okay, nawuzona ngithi page. Should page like privately then naye like
namhla sinama ikhulumela phezulu.
Like naye, you understand? So awumuntu sho ukuthi ufuna abantu bakukine ngenkani.
Yeah, true.
Uyangithola?
Mara bamke iyamspanela la Davidson.
Yeah, la Davidson phela inkingi. So akafani nje ngathi ukuthi sivele siyenze nje into I know this niggas. You understand?
When was what daja?
Mina.
Yeah. Ngalento yakho le uyenzayo la.
Le?
Yeah.
Soweto.
Okay.
Timbisi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Fine.
Straight up.
Fine.
I have proof of that, I mean.
K1.
Yes. You understand?
Fine.
I would say fine. Like asiphume kancane alento yenzayo. Nokuthi like mucha. Bayazi. They know. You understand?
Fine, boy.
Khona le eku-Infamous le teacher. They know.
Ngidanga sikhuluma ngeshow nje yami.
They show, yeah, sesiphume
okay, asicale nge-support G. Asicale nge-support G.
I-support
how much do you rate the support? There's bad, there's good, there's average. And then there's excellent. It was good.
Yeah, it was good.
It was good. It was good.
Really good, yeah.
Like fun, my Davidson iphumile bafethu. Siyabonga. Davidson siphumile nami ngiyazi.
Siphumile like sichubeni kanjalo guys. Sichubeni kanjalo guys. Sibambaneni. Sinamachubu like
love. Siphume kule support fast ngiyangibona. Asiya ku music G. Let's rate the music G. Starting with Soul Healers, boy. Okay, mina ngifike la third round I think. Mina Soul Healers, asicale nge-Soul Healers G. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10, yeah. 8 out of 10.
Me too.
Yeah, 8 out of 10.
I'm 8. Solid 8.
Solid 8 out of 10, G.
I'm solid 8. Kubeka phela. Buza iya lapha iya. Sesichithile ngisho phela iSoul Healers bengaculi i1. Ayenza ngathi manje not iSoul Healers not ayiculi i1. Akusinkambi yabo le phela.
Okay. Almighty Blessed. Asicale ngawe. Ja!
Waqala ngaphela
Asicale ngawe ja. Izolo best interview abantu ne. Bashila ama-honesty wabo. Okay. And I think now uzibonele.
Angizwele ngizibonelanga ngizwele. Ngazondala bro.
Okay, Jami wena. Asithi danga nawe bo interview wada. Basic interview ngayindlela thizeni. Bozobagaya ngakho abafethu.
Out of 10.
Out of 10.
Abobani?
Almighty Blessed.
5 they okay. 5 they okay. They can sing, yabo. Yeah, 5 they okay. Yeah. I ukuthi nota ngoma base ku uvocali vele.
Njabi iba honest danga, iba honest.
Yeah,
iba honest boy.
That 5 I can.
Or okay, ithi ngiyenza danga ube honest. Yakhumbula upase kukhe wathi danga unqedwe i-saxophone. Yo i-saxo. Iba honest.
Shuthi
yakhumbula sona uyi-Infamous celebration.
Ne.
Uyakhumbula thina ufilisa chatty week. Ngicela ukhumbule zonke izinto ezimba
azishilo ne. Ungacabangela umphathi wakhe.
You are honest boy.
Umphathi wakhe.
You are honest boy. You are honest boy. Out of 10. Ibukelile show G.
Shuthi
ibukelile show G.
ngicela ukuthi
Waze wayena
before-
kuye wamtshela ukuthi boy,
okay.
it's bad.
It was
It's
bad.
bad. It's bad, boy.
It was
It's
bad.
bad, boy.
It's bad.
It's bad. It was bad, G.
It was bad.
Asiqalele phansi, boy.
Before ngizosho rating ne. Shuthi yabona ezinye izinto ne. This is right like yabona like amarezala amarezala. Yeah, I understand. This guy tang ngathi selimarezala bona tang. Mina tanga like yeah, I can give them like a -5. Yeah,
That's a 0, G.
that's not a
That's a
point.
0 plus minus is
That's
5
nothing,
zeros.
bro. This one izinto zirathi mama yabo amazivaleli like egarage or la. Last reason nakhona what's fine thanks. Singayise ebantwini yabo. Singayisi tang.
Mina sure I give them a 4, G.
Yeah, mina.
A positive for a solid 4, guys. That's why.
Why?
Ke rata sifila sabona. Abona ma isingilanda ngisuthu.
Mina uyazi
Yeah.
nje inkinga yami.
Yeah. Mina ngithema ngifika ta.
Oh, wena cha inkinga yami uyazi.
Yeah, mina ngiyazi inkinga yakho njalo wona usumpostola womziyoni.
Yeah, so
Ngithola.
it's like
So mina abafethu bangiphilisile yathola kule 4% le. Mina ngiphilile ta. You understand? Upase kuthe makaphatha lapha washaya ihosana lapha. Ngazizwa ngibusiseka ngazizwa yabona manje umoya uyasukuma ke impela. Bese wathi umfana ritlosebenza mo. Abantu basebenza
uyayibona ke manje.
I understand.
Ayamsebenza.
I understand G. Bekasemoyeni boy.
Yena kuba mphathayo ngibonile la showcase yeah. Vaya ukuthi yena ukuthi yena ubilo mphathi lapha like at least yabo like if asirate masirate ka good bad average is good. Bad is good.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's fine.
Masisirate ngama good bad average was.
Yeah, hayi tanga unina ngimtsho ukuthi mfana wayo wena baxhwepha manje.
Eish,
Yo,
it was bad.
it was bad. Tanga ngeke tanga.
was bad.
Khona tanga sebacela tanga sebacula ibuphilo kiwena tanga yo. Tanga shute ngome inkela tanga lokho tsa until yophela tanga ulapha tanga ngiyamkhombisa pha kuthi baba. Ngize ngaze angakhwela. Bacula anebase so healers. Ngikule ngoma le bathi sondela kuye ngacula mfana nalethina le mfana.
Apha sekanje amambo join the saints G. Kumele uyikhuluma ngakho.
Yeah, I'm joining the scenes man.
Because uyayithanda G.
Ayayithanda because it's at least lapho at least.
Lapho ke boy
Yeah,
uzoqualify
at least,
ukhuluma
yeah,
le way
uzoqualify,
ukhuluma
ukhuluma le way.
ngakhona G. Uzoqualify because now G yesterday was
Ayeke
it was bad for you G.
ayeke ukukhulume akakhulu ngaculu kamnandi yo.
Boy.
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 My
No,
side.
yazi intami into engibonile ne. Upaseka maybe kumele a host maybe echoir izo because leya show le bengahambelana nangokubona kwami.
It's one of those shows.
Yeah, it's one of those shows.
Angahambelani
And host, I understand. It's one of those shows, G. So kube maybe bekathola maybe like angazi ngabe kusangayiphi choir.
Asiso. The universe. Hey.
Etelela wena.
Maleka mabelo okay wena yini ukuthi
Tanga. Universe eqhwepha naye indlela zayo.
Yeah, so like shows okay abubani ke.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngibona. Ngifuna laba tanga abajulile so like engibona ukuthi okay.
Or like music uyahambelana.
Music uyahambelana, you told like
Like us.
even away.
Away says.
Okay, asize like us.
Sisabaqhwephisa musawethu.
As well.
Tanga musmile tanga away awayitanga ngifuna tanga uzazi indaba zakhe indaba yase-awayitanga yabo.
It's isibone. Okay, like us. Like us me papa.
Ababhayi inkinga ngisho like angiphethu yeah.
Maybe heist, yeah, bengahambelana like us. For example, heist ishaya isifila in this-philayo. You understand? Yaphilisa ke heist. Leyo show leyo beyizohambelana. For example, you understand? But then for this one G, it was bad for you, boy.
Umuzi kuhambelana.
Ayimfana mbekata ukuthi lapha
like yeza ama-interview like
no guys akusinte sikhuluma like yithi la
like are you sure like you review
this is a review like samba ngento ehamba nabantu
like
nambe ehamba ngami
behamba
mase semaqinisweni
abehamba
ayimfana it was bad for you boy it was bad for you boy for le ndlela okhuluma ngayo
it was bad for
nale ndlela oyenza
ngayo
it was bad for you boy
ngabe bonke alabantu bobaringa bonke bakhona hallo ayindaba yakhe lo
ethi ujabulisa abantu ababhayi izolo
bajabulisile wena mfana uyanginyanyisa ndoda now why
ujabulisa abantu ababhayi izolo
look like yo siyankwatisa now sometimes yo ayifana you can do better man.
Come on boy.
You can do better.
Come on boy. What's ucula Infamous?
Yeah.
Ucula ngomock tapes once.
Yeah,
uzopapa kancane. At least
uzopapa something to bring on the table. Yabo. Bring your repertoires njaya.
Yeah, man. Ori ambuculela ikhefa sinyo.
Yeah.
Uzopapa kancane. You understand?
Like yeah.
Ori uculele angazi khona inspiration uzopapa kancane futhi
angeke ndoda
or aculela ibuhali batumela uzopapa kancane futhi yeah
yes
because vela ngisho ukuthi uthanda isifila uyaphila mfana uzopapa kancane futhi
engikwazi isifila manje
maningi ta nayi heist angancenga aphapheka kancane
will still like support every show like as it says and nakuluma one man show was that
so when you have ukuthi beke one man show
bro
it was bad G hard boy I had a G I even asked a question of the day lapha kuma interviews sidanga bamile tanga ne Soul Healers wonke umuntu bese interview Soul Healers yi home ground yabo
wonke umuntu
mara one thing I love about us tanga thina si honest even ku night show yama 2K mashayi review
basho ukuthi
bashilo bathi siqepiwe nathi savuka
ukuthi we trap
we trap
I was trap man siqepheni mfana mfana ibunzi mfana sho ukuthi bangisiqephe ebunzimeni hayi lula kanje tanga like lula trap
it was an obvious trap
obvious trap it was obvious land that I was with you I wonder
abashayi how many rounds
tanze kumuntu
3 or 4
sakhuluma
it was 4-0
if we say amtanga it's rusty tanga ungatanga ucula mina njalo
so alikho tanga okay because when ufike early tanga alikho round maybe ke engasho ukuthi la i-Almighty Blessed ishayile
actually I wanna as long
guys don't mind us now we keep everything like a challenge it's a challenge to us guys sorry
anoma ngikukwata ezoculo like similar almost like izini ayona nginguzo tanga like me
when bias tanga
I'm not biased I'm real
yeah biased
as much as yabona tanga ne
biased
umuntu tanga yabona ne you know in bias yabona tanga like the way untwana tanga he was tanga ngathi ukuthi he was expecting more from Infamous like and
then actually we were expecting more from Almighty Blessed
I understand
mina straight honestly speaking
now I was expecting more as much as tanga like the watches tourists of it was expecting more like ngiyenza lapha home county like then I look I feel I admit it that I'm not straight Traffic rap me, dog. Kabi ngasombathi la ngalelo. Ngasombathi.
Aqepile
Down. So, like, why can't people like admit their trap? Wow, I can admit my trap, but alien to creepy like you.
Yo, bafethu, shout out to Soul Healers from K1, bafethu. Shout out to you one more time. Yo, it was a show.
Tanga asize kulama one man show azake.
Tanga kusama one man show, tanga mana nto ayinitelela la malona wabantu amashow wabantu.
No, I don't, tanga zabe ngikhona ke ayimpana ngeke tanga. You tryna tell me tanga ukuthi wena tanga ne? Angithi yakena inkinga wena. Angithi they can't sing, no.
Uthini?
Every choir can sing.
Yeah, wonke umuntu unetalent lakhe. And yonke choir unique ngendlela yayo.
Yes, true.
Yes.
But then like in the sesizantane. Sesithatha tanga ne i-M6. Yangizwa? Sibeka nepholo. Tanga you can tell tanga there's a huge difference tanga.
Yeah. Difference
how I sound and how you sound.
Totally different.
Yeah, angizwa. So
Totally different.
So tanga kufana tanga like manchu. So obviously the winner will be the one tanga with the most sound. Shoot la maybe sa ngisikhala tanga ne. Shoot tanga yo musical tanga mantanga lana dog. Asicabanga ukufana ngisho. Amakwa awafani.
Awafani.
Exactly. Izing akusisonto tanga.
Ngibonile ukuthi uyalapho. Okay, asekele ezinto.
Izale promo lelezayo tanga.
Asekele ezinto.
Tanga.
Yesterday Katiso from Harmony Singers promote there's ne Harmony Singers. Okay, naleyo uthi one man show.
There's one man show. Tanga izwile tanga abayikre mara uzwile beza ngani?
Bayingadi?
Bayikre. Tanga I can test yamanje tanga.
Serious?
Yes, tanga. Like tanga you don't know the saga dog.
Yo.
Ayi
bafethu mina shothi ngisimo.
Umpostolo ongekho wena. Umpostolo ongekho tanga. Mara tanga ne.
That's why.
Into echazayo pepe.
On life to live than to focus.
Yeah, true. Mara izinto tanga ayikara nota. Yakena tanga ne lana tanga shothi even tanga when tanga things like happened the way it did. The music still the same.
Ayi.
Sasitangini test jam. Even more music in jam, it's coming in. Tanga understand? Sasitanga the way banga khona njayam. Akhohle tanga phela aman inumber I mean to.
Nah, inumber issue next.
Exactly.
Kuya ngokuthi ungubani.
Uphethe
abantu abanjani.
How creative you are musically.
Yes.
Awucula ingoma zesonto.
Mfana awuzwani nesonto.
Man tanga ngeke tanga.
Isonto kube isonto.
No tanga ayikuthi ngizwana tanga I'm a PK dog.
Yeah, you understand. I'm also a PK.
So isonto kube isonto, performance kube performance.
Okay. Mara amapostola athanda ukuba sepostoli. Stila namapostola la.
Take that postol and make it a performance.
Bayenza kanjalo mos.
They make it technically. Kanjani abathatha isipostol asiyenza church. Make it his performance.
His performance. His clap and zap.
Perform it. Don't sing it.
Bayaperform.
Yeah, when bayicula.
They must do better.
Thank. Mina ngithi yakena izinto tanga ne. Sorry. Mina ezinye izinto mina angithi abafethu tanga no tanga yabona if tanga ne they must keep this in mind. If umuntu uzotha ucula kamnandi yini le ekenza ukuthi ube la khona today.
Indoda vele kuzobe kuyini. Shothi ucula kamnandi.
Shothi ucula kamnandi.
Shothi ucula kamnandi.
You understand?
Mara naba abafethu tanga bayaziculela isichurch. Mara balaba khona namhlanje.
Yes, true.
Shothi bayaperforma ji. Danko.
Okay, yeah, ivangne.
Yeah.
Performa. Accepta mna.
Wena.
Ayafika mina yabona uyeza isonto lakho ne. Ngeza nini anis performance sami. Ungiqephile nisonto sakho.
Tanga, etlapentep tanga. Mo shayita ngempempe tanga. waspin up stage ngesipostolo ulayitile awuthiyama
4 yakena abantu
washo umaluleka
4 yakena baphi abantu the ones who doesn't have the musical ear ilabo nje yami so
majority kuTlip'n na musical
yeah so yeah it is so ma asoyithini thina yabona lento leyo wena just stick to your culture it's fine maka you can't say you clapped the other one who doesn't come with Churchly but then they come through a performance
nizwile-ke bafethu
so it's
Churchly off makasho umfana
it's two different
maka mina
things,
ngiya-enjoy Churchly le ayishoyo yena
hayi maketa cabanga tanga hayi angengikhona hayi
ukhona
ayingangidlula tanga mina yabo mina tanga
ngingawona utshave
yes I'm expecting the next person tanga to also tell me tanga if la ngiyaphetha ungilungisa kanjani tanga umuntu umlungisa kanjani umuntu stubborn ke umuntu stubborn ke angiyakumamela maka umuntu tanga umlungisa kanjani mtshela njani lana yabo maka angithi mina aba-change is church ngami I know why who am I
uyawuba
yeah you understand no why yes
cha wempi
maka ngisho hayi fuck
khuluma
that
ngamakhwaye
so ibheke lento leta so lana tanga ne eish mangistanga angiyibheka tanga mina bo hayi mfana nabo mangabuza nebezini bakutsho ukuthi hayi so ihlwepha angeke mfana
okay izinyocula nelona ke iculile or iyocula iculile ish
ngesini manu
isiculile
beyizo
wabe ihambe kanjani usho guys comment down below man ngiyamthemba mina uMesi man ngimhlephile
yeah angimthemba uMesi nami mo marizini kaofel etanga
Messi
etanga imani yonke ikhaya izobhekana anezintanga imani imancane maka izintanga ke ayaqepha automatic it's fine only baba only in history only boautomati so angeke nawo uthi ayeke nawo uthi uyocula automati uthi uyoclip automati
yo mina ngomhlepha mina
maceda uzothi
akena nina niyenza lento le nenza ngathi maye wonke ama big choir tanga ayaxwebha vele
no sese
tanga khona ama big choir aculiwa cawaca tanga
class isibheka ngane sisibheka ukuthi uyocula nobani nje big choir ne okay sakeng it's okay sesabheka we going back to the drawing board with you okay it's fine
etanga
angathi yabazi laba tanga yabazi
inkulumo yethu
bheka inkulumo elas yabazi laba abekena ukuthi bayoclub tanga kena abakhuluma kanjani so dumisa
seliwadumisa
I'm no man akala wota ishuti it's not a competition and my mom Captain September is a competition manje
no
back
it's
then
a competition
it was right even to other people listen to our interviews tanga tells a person ukuthi umuntu uzeleni
yeah facts
you understand man
tanga thina siyenza kube competition angisho
besides yes thina ngisho are we showing it out there
ukuthi it's a competition
you understand then there is tanga abanye
bayona tanga
mamela there is tanga abanye beza tanga lapha ez ukuthi ukubaxoxa abantu. You understand? That's why there's interviews umuntu asho there are reviews about the show hey mfana lo ngimuzi hey lo I'm trap of it lo akana chance lo. You understand? So tanga ihlapha September manje
kusho zonke izinto abazishizolo ne
bro tanga ihlapha September ne manje tanga ne
example izolo
is tanga i-competition back then tanga hayi bokuphilisa amampela bo back then like last mina ngakho like sase ama-show basawabhalabhala ba-paint there tanga lapho kusase itanga ukuphilisa isihlepe tap njalo manje bro khuleka
sikhona bo Night of Black Sam
mbana tanga khuleka tanga
Day of Black Sam
tanga suye ebona mali nto exactly
so tanga
umuntu tanga ne
ubonisa vele ukuthi Clap and Tap it's a competition singavuma manje ubona ngalabo Spin Doctor abo UEFA laba
Abo league.
nama league lawo
Nama-league lawo.
ya kahle kahle vele competition ngiyavuma
Tanga Captain Service competition.
ngiyavuma
Ilike yani, ilike tanga is a
yeah
competition. Ama-point
points ta yeah shoot
iluze yani, itoy yani, iwine yani.
iwine nje yamayi
Shoot uklepiwe alright like
uzingcengele
anizingcengele.
okay da sithi kube wena bokule okay asike siphume ku cause idlule net show yama 2K la sibuya kuyo manje Almighty bless the soul last Almighty bless the bethola how many points
Obviously ngisho show in a show 3 points.
yeah so yena bethola
3 points.
3 points Almighty
Yeah.
Almighty blessed
Hey, man.
Oh, Almighty blessed.
yeah
Tanga ngisho it was gonna be -3.
oh -3
Angisho baceda so healers yoba na
Yeah,
3 points.
okay damele sizenze lethu
Ane?
yeah guys yeah mele sikhuphe manje
Mele sisi
mele sikhuphe
sithenke man, sithenke yabo ukuthi
yeah.
makali izoscore
Siqale
ukuthi
next day yeah skip ama rewards
yeah mele sazi ukuthi each and every show
asinamali
sayahamba tanga.
ngabe sinamali bro
Sobona next day tanga.
Yeah.
Kunkulu
asenze
cebele.
kanjani guys YouTube page guys subscribe lapho
Yeah, subscribe ene ayakhula ama subscription.
lapho so yenza into emnandi
Guys.
subscribe lapho
So, angeke-
saphupha ngalento guys.
We dreaming big.
yeah
So,
yes
Angeke tanga kimi uzothi tanga uzuza kimi ukuthi akuna competition.
manje soyibiza ntanga yethu
In.
ilona i-sting dog
I-league.
yeah
Ayi sobona mfana lento phela ifuna tanga
Mario bano play gaming phakathi
yeah, obviously.
or trapping
Tanga. Yona i-league tanga itself it explains tanga very everything
oh
ukuthi
no filter chat league
yeah.
something like that
So what? So
Or no
bafethu
filter
man.
league
Siniphethe man,
Yeah,
siniphethe.
guys.
Yabona like mina tanga ukuthi competition into like cause khona abanye like bazishuna but ebona bacloping ngathi yo.
just
Bona
bayikhipha
vele.
ngokuthi bayitype yabona
Yeah.
thina siyisho live
Live.
then
Uthi mfana phela ngisho silapha simamela hayi ukuthi sikhuluma into esiyibonile hayi bangisho besilapha Zwini.
nangapha sizwa ngabantu yabo abantu mabaloko bakhuluma siyabona siloko siya confirm
And-ke-
siya confirm
and again mina wanna say something and again ama-reviews abantu it's their opinions.
yeah
You never force someone to love someone.
mara nabo bayazibonela nani if nisemashoyini niyabona senza ama-interview niyabona ukuthi labantu asibatsheli next
So
abantu bakhuluma into abayifunayo
and nami if ebang-interviewer like
no buzokhuluma into oyifunayo
ukuthi
Because
ama-interview
imali yakho
awangitholi
yeah
mina wona athola bona
athola bona
yayibona manje
ayi mara wena right angithole ayi wena tanga
mina tangithole
right la kuma reviews
mina ngithola tanga abang-interview yazi bangibuze yazi bangibuze ngiphendule ngachazi.
Otherwise, bafethu, this is the end of the video, guys. Please click that like button, that share button, that subscribe button, that notification bell to get notified next time we drop. It was trapped.
To try, bro.
They were trapped.
It's true. Man, it's fine. Ngisondela kuwe.
Pull up your socks, G.
You can do better.
You can do better.
This is not who you are. This is not you. But ungangabahla
Kahle sikaceda ukukhuluma lana.
tanga yazi intalo mfana lo uyakhuluma ngibintanga like i-performance Sky performance
Ukhuluma kakhulu tanga.
then performance Sky yona maka tanga akhamelana nokukhuluma yabo
Jabulisa abantu abaningi mfana.
bajabulisile fana like ubajabulise askiphi khwa yakho bajabulisile ngawe
Wena wedwa wena.
wena uyiwani keep khwa
Wena
yakho
uyi-one.
hayi wena uyiwani because akhuluma khwa yakho ukhuluma wena
Andithulile tanga yakhe.
so yakutanga
Yeah,
khwa
no
yakho
Yeah,
uyephela
nayiwa. Amara boy, love.
shout out to you boy mabuyazi nathi
Siphethe G.
phethe sana uyazi man uyazi
Sime ngamavalo.
nethi nje uyazi siyabo singama outwin no filter
Thina siyithi la.
yeah boy
Sizipushela into yethu mfana.
mama amavokala mfana
Ngaphansi.
mama yini bazekafana
Hey boy, danko.